the teachers, parents, guardians, and students of Vuci Methodist Primary School, senior government officials who are present here today, media representatives, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Today's groundbreaking ceremony is a significant event for the Vuci community with the construction of 1x7 classroom block. Once completed, the students and teachers of Vuci Methodist Primary School will enjoy a much better facility for teaching and learning. Today marks the beginning of a renewed hope for the children of this school. I understand the school suffered a great loss in February of 2019 when the wooden classroom block was destroyed in a fire. I'm told that the school was established in 1920, so obviously some of these buildings are extremely old. And the school was established by the Indian Methodist missionaries in those days. Since then, the school has been providing education to our children, and thousands of students have passed through this particular school. The 2019 fire unfortunately destroyed 4 classrooms, a newly built computer lab, and a school library. The school has been doing its best to accommodate all the students who were affected by converting its classroom into, its staff room into classroom for year 7 by combining both year 7s. Ladies and gentlemen, for this particular project, the government has set aside $746,000 to complete this project. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 2 rules for achieving success. Get started and keep going. Today, we will get started with this project, and we have to keep going with this project for next 30 weeks. And after 30 weeks, we should have the product that we want. So I look forward to the commissioning of this facility. And ladies and gentlemen, I now have much pleasure to officially pour the first mix, and in doing so, pray for the successful completion of this project. Vinakavakalevu.
Yeah, photo.
Don't think I'll take the full shower.
All right, there you go.
Luto.